In this question, we have to evaluate what negative 72 divided by positive 8 would be. So keep in mind when we're dividing, that means we're going to try to divide 72 into groups of 8. So thinking about that, there's a couple of ways I could do it. I could always take this and make a grid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. I'll make another group of 8. That's 16. I'll make another group of 8. It gives me 24. Another group of 8 gives me 32. Another one gives me 40. And 48. So what you'll see that I'm doing here is really I'm just counting up all the way to 72 by 8s. Almost there. There's 64. And one more group will give me 72. So if I count up these groups, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups. Now remember, I've got a negative divided by a positive. That means my answer is going to be negative, and I was able to obtain 9 groups here. So my answer would be 9.